Hello everyone. I would like to share with you about my past experience or emotions. It's not uncommon to have thoughts or emotions that I'm afraid to talk about, but acknowledging these feelings is an important first step. One idea that may resonate with my feelings of being alone in my struggles. This sense of isolation can lead to deep sadness, anxiety, and the belief that no one understands and cares. And I experience that sometimes. If you're experiencing this, know that you're not alone. The good thing is that I tell my parents about my problem. I share my feelings with someone I trust, my family, and my friend. Talking about these emotions and problems with them can help me find the support and connection I need. Opening up about dark thoughts and emotions is a sign of strength and courage. By facing these feelings and seeking help, you can begin to heal and move towards a brighter future. The human voice is the most beautiful instrument of all, but it is the most difficult to play. Inka speech evokes a powerful idea about the impact of our voices. The idea that resonates most deeply is the responsibility that comes with using our voices. Our words can either bridge divides or deepen them, inspire change, or incite conflict. By advocating for empathy and active listening, Magnaya reminds us that our voices hold the power to create a more understanding and connected world. One feeling that stands out is the hope and potential of positive change. Her emphasis on the ability of our voices to break barriers and build the future is both empowering and inspiring. It encourages us to reflect on what we want our voice to convey to the world and to use it thoughtfully to make a difference.